Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bubble chart in Excel. First, you need to prepare your data. Arrange your information into 3 separate columns, one for your x-axis values, another for your y-axis values, and a third for the size of each bubble. It's crucial that all these columns contain numerical data. Clearly labeling your columns will make the next steps much smoother and easier to follow. Once your data is perfectly organized, the next step is to insert the chart. Simply select all 3 columns of your data, including the headers. Then, go to the Insert tab at the top of your Excel window. In the Charts group, click on Scatter or Bubble Chart and then choose the Bubble Chart option. Excel will automatically generate a basic bubble chart based on your selected data. Now that you have your basic bubble chart, it's time to customize it for maximum impact. You can easily adjust the axis titles and labels to make your chart more understandable. Experiment with different bubble colors, borders, and even transparency levels to highlight key data points. Adding data labels to each bubble can also provide specific numerical values, giving your audience more precise information at a glance. To take your bubble charts to the next level, consider some advanced tips. You can actually use a 4th data series to color code your bubbles, allowing you to categorize them visually. Don't hesitate to experiment with different chart styles and layouts available in Excel to find the perfect aesthetic. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure your bubble chart clearly and effectively communicates your insights to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.